Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're going to be talking about the VR method. Now, don't worry, you do not necessarily have to have a VR headset for this. Getting my own VR headset is what inspired this video. However, if you do have a VR headset, that is a bonus. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. For everything that I offer, including the Perfect Self-Concept course, my Manifest Your SP course, one-on-one coaching, and collective coaching, simply go on ritakaminski.com or check out the description box down below. I intend for this video to absolutely change your life for the best. Let's get into it. This is inspired because my boyfriend got a VR headset a couple of weeks ago, and I started doing this thing every single night right before bed where I would play my video on the VR headset right before going to sleep, where it literally says Rita Kaminski, 1 million subscribers. As you all know, I am manifesting 1 million subscribers. And so right before going to bed, I would literally just be looking at that. And if you know anything about VR, you would know that that image or whatever you're playing literally encapsulates your entire world. You do not see anything but whatever you are playing. So for me to have it up on the big screen, like looking at my manifestation, like it's an IMAX movie, really did help me visualize it when I went into SATS, when I went to sleep. If you guys know anything about SATS or how the subconscious mind works, if you're even reading about something or thinking about something right before you go to sleep, you dream it, meaning your subconscious mind is somewhere, somehow thinking about it. And going further and deeper into SATS, when we are going into the theta state, the hypnagogic state, our subconscious mind is wide open and we are able to tell it whatever we want, show it whatever we want, and our subconscious mind will be like, oh, for real? Like, this is our life right now? And it will actually repeat that image that you have showed it in your reality the next day or in a couple of days. When you do this right, literally you will start seeing massive changes the following day. If you want to see my SATS video, you can click on the card up above. But what I notice sometimes is that I don't see the visual clearly, and not that that is a requirement, but for me to focus more on sleeping and resting rather than exerting energy into seeing the visual. I just got an idea to get my VR headset and look at the image for 10 minutes right before I go to sleep and really get into the feeling of me having 1 million subscribers right now. And I can tell you that visualizing and seeing that 1 million subscribers right before I go to sleep has worked wonders for me. And I'm now putting less energy into constructing the image in my mind and more on resting and sleeping. So that helps me to fall asleep faster. Now, if you don't have a VR headset, you can look at the image right before you go to sleep for 10 minutes as well. It's not necessary for you to immerse your entire vision in that image, although that is really cool because you're immersing your entire vision and field and you're not getting distracted at all by anything else. You're literally just looking at that image. However, again, I have done this before getting a VR headset. I understand many people can't just set aside a few $100 or $1,000 for a VR headset. Pro tip, go on Facebook Marketplace, because my boyfriend literally got one for like $250 and it is brand new. I absolutely freaking love this thing. I don't want to put it on now because I have makeup on. So yeah, you can just look at the image on your phone, have it on a screensaver so you're not wasting time going into your gallery trying to find the photo. I have that image of 1 million subscribers in my phone as my screen paper, wallpaper. Anytime I unlock my phone, I see it. So that is the VR method that you can use at any time of day, really, but I like to use it right before I use SATS and go to sleep because it's like the photo is stamped into my mind and I don't have to do that much work while going to sleep. And I think it's even more effective because you're getting into the feeling as you are looking at the image. So try it out. Let me know how it works for you. I would love to see in the comments down below. Again, for everything that I offer, go on ritakaminski.com or click on any of the links in the description box down below if you're interested in any of my services. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.